Another way to define this function is to define it through the lambda function. Lambda function has the advantage that is shorter to write, and it can be called by means of a variable. So a lambda is built in this way. We have to type lambda space arguments space double dots space expression, and the arguments in our function is x. So lambda space x double dots. The return value is 5 multiplied by x. I assigned this lambda function to a variable called a, and in order to have the same result like this, I simply call a of 2. You see that this way is much more shorter than this way, and the result will be the same. Okay, in this project we will not use the lambda, but you will use for sure in your... Okay, so see you next time.